this is an update for Logan. It is Saturday, June 17th. So Logan is still in the hospital. He's been in the hospital since the 7th. He had his surgery on the 7th. So he's been in there 10 days. Actually, the surgeon, I think, on the surgery side, he got discharged yesterday from the surgeon. The surgeon's not really doing anything with him anymore. Everything's okay on that side of things, but we elected to do like inpatient physical therapy just to kind of give him a head start, because if he would have came home, like say a few days prior, he wouldn't have been able to do stairs. He just wasn't strong enough to do stairs yet. So that's the key factor. We got some stairs that to get in the house. Everyone does, you know, so he's got to kind of master the stairs. But yesterday he went into physical therapy and he did 4 stairs up and down twice. So hopefully, I think he's going to be discharged Monday, Tuesday. It really all depends on the hospital bed situation, because we need a hospital bed at home for a few weeks just so he can do what he's got to do. Insurance is covering that, but there's some stuff insurance doesn't cover for some stupid reason. It's very odd. You know, the cheaper stuff they won't cover, but the expensive stuff they cover. I mean, it's good and bad in a way, but what are you gonna do? It's just we're going to have to acquire those from somewhere like Amazon or whatever. Not a big deal. It's kind of the least of my worries right now. But it's been, well, yesterday was what, 9 days after the surgery. They got the pathology back on the actual tumor itself, and it came out as 99% dead tumor. 99%. So me and my wife, I think, made the right call with the 2 extra chemotherapies up front before the surgery to actually kill the tumor more, and it paid off, which was my gut feeling. You know, do the 2 before surgery, have a better outcome, and that's what happened. We had a better outcome. Now there's a different thing called margins, which surrounded the muscle, or everything surrounding the tumor, that we still haven't got back yet, but I'm expecting that to come back pretty decent too. It was a successful surgery, I think. I mean, he's doing good. Physical therapy's been like working him hard, like 3 times a day. So he's had it pretty rough. Today he's had kind of a break because it's Saturday. There's no physical therapy today, but tomorrow there's going to be physical therapy, and we're going to try to get in the car. I have a different vehicle. I have a Suburban, which this would be kind of challenging for him, but we do have a conversion van, which, you know, both doors open. He's got, it's lower to get up into, so he doesn't have to step up so high. So I think when it comes to transportation for him, the conversion van's gonna be the ticket. I think that's what's gonna happen, which is not a problem. Still a nice vehicle. It's just older. So that is pretty much it. I mean, everything else has been going good. It's basically steady as she goes. I mean, he's with the physical therapy, he's actually been putting weight on that leg, so, and it's just at a weird angle. He, at the hip, normally when you sit down, like I'm sitting down right now, I'm at like a 90-degree angle. He cannot get the 90-degree angle right now. He is limited to 30 degrees, between 15 and 30 degrees on the left side. So trying to get in and out of anything, or actually sitting straight up, is virtually impossible. So he's kind of like laid back on his right side with his leg out. So it makes it a little challenging for sitting. That's where we're going to have to get the power recliner to help him get up and out. That will definitely help him. So, but he is coming along. He is putting weight on that leg. It's just his knees bothering him, and I think that's mostly, obviously, from the surgery. He had to have the knee replaced, so they had to cut the other top. They had to cut the other top of the bone off, and I think that's where he's getting most of his pain. It's really the only pain he's really had. He hasn't had any really pain in the hip, the leg. It's just his knees bothering him, and the back part of his leg, down by the knee, the hamstring area, kind of, sort of. That's what he's saying. He's saying the muscles are tight, and his knee has been bothering him a little, and I think it's just because of where they put the artificial knee into the lower bone. I think that's the problem he's having now. But other than that, he's really not in he's not in much pain, so he's doing really good. He's getting up and down, going to the bathroom, which is a challenge, but it does happen. Walking. Yesterday, one session of chemotherapy, or one session of physical therapy, walked 150 feet, which was absolutely amazing. With the walker, obviously. So he's doing good. And then when I get down there, Em actually got tied up today at the house doing a bunch of stuff. It's Saturday, and I'm working my way down there. I'll probably be down there for like 4 o'clock today. But I had to get stuff taken care of at the house. You know, groceries, Sam's Club. So it's a struggle. It's a struggle for time. Every time you turn around, it's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Where'd the time go? Since your day's so busy. And it's quite a drive down here. It's on a good day, we're talking probably hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes. Last Saturday it took me 2 hours to get down here, so it's a little challenging, but we just mosey on down here, take a ride. Well, you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo. I did put a Amazon wish list up there with some stuff Logan wants and stuff the family needs. If you're interested in that and you don't want to donate, that would be preferable. I don't know, whatever you want to, not preferable, what I'm saying is if you're more comfortable that way. Logan has a few games in there. He said he wanted to add some fishing stuff in there for when he gets better. Obviously we got some medical stuff in there, so check it out. If you want to donate that way, great. Either way. So I think this is the end of this update. and I will keep you informed on the next update. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.